Hey there, welcome back. Finally done with the semester?
Yep, finally. I'm back home for the break. How's everything been here?
It's been good, but definitely not the same without you. We missed you around here. How was your semester? Tell me everything.
Aw,
I missed you guys too. Well, it was challenging, but I made it through. I took some interesting courses and made some new friends. It was definitely a different experience compared to high school.
That's great to hear. I'm proud of you for sticking it out and pushing through. I remember my university days too. It was quite the adventure. So, spill the tea, any juicy stories or exciting events?
Not too many juicy stories, but I did join a few clubs on campus. I also volunteered for a local charity and got involved in some community events. It was a great way to meet new people and make connections.
That's awesome. I'm glad to see you getting involved and making the most out of your time at university. I'm sure those experiences will be valuable in the long run. Did you have any favorite classes or professors?
Definitely. I loved my psychology class, and my professor was amazing. I also enjoyed my literature class, even though it was challenging at times. I made some good friends in those classes too.
That's fantastic. It's great to see you finding your passions and enjoying your studies. I'm proud of you. So, what are your plans for the break? Any exciting trips or activities planned?
I'm looking forward to spending time with family and friends, catching up on some much-needed sleep, and just relaxing at home. I do have a few outings planned with some friends from high school, and I'm hoping to do some hiking and camping trips too.
Sounds like a perfect plan. I'm glad you're taking the time to unwind and recharge. And hey, if you need a hiking buddy, count me in. I'm always up for an adventure.
I'll definitely keep that in mind. Thanks, big bro. I missed you and your adventurous spirit. It's good to be back home.
It's good to have you back too, little sis. You've grown so much since you left for university, and I'm excited to see where life takes you next. Welcome home.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate your support. It's been quite the journey so far, and I'm looking forward to what's ahead. How have things been at home while I was away?
It's been pretty quiet without you, to be honest. Mom and Dad have been missing you a lot, and we've all been eagerly anticipating your return. It's been a bit strange not having you around for family dinners and game nights, but I'm glad you're back now.
I've missed everyone too. It's good to be back and spend time with family again. I've been looking forward to Mom's cooking and catching up with you and Dad. How have things been with you? How's work and everything else?
Work has been busy, as usual. But I've been managing all right. Dad's been keeping me updated on the household chores, so no worries there. How about you? Are you planning to get a part-time job or an internship during the break?
yeah,
I'm thinking of looking for a part-time job or an internship to gain some experience and earn some extra money. I want to make the most out of my break and use my time wisely. It'll be good to have something productive to do during the summer.
That sounds like a great plan. It's always good to gain practical experience and build your resume while you're on break. Let me know if you need any help with your job search or applications. I'm happy to assist.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate your support. I'll definitely take you up on that offer. So, what have you been up to besides work? Any new hobbies or interests?
Not much has changed for me, to be honest. I've been keeping up with my hobbies like playing guitar and going for runs. Oh, and I started learning to cook some new recipes. Maybe we can have a cook-off one of these days.
Sure thing. I'd love to challenge you in the kitchen. I've been missing your cooking. I'll have to show you some of the recipes I learned at university too.
Deal. I'm looking forward to trying out your culinary skills. It's going to be fun cooking together again. So, tell me more about your experiences at university. Did you join any sports teams or clubs?
I did join a few clubs and played intramural soccer. It was a great way to stay active and make friends. I also attended some workshops and seminars on career development and networking. It was all quite enriching.
That's awesome. I'm glad to hear that you took advantage of the opportunities available to you at university. It's important to not only focus on academics but also to explore other interests and develop new skills.
Definitely. I've learned a lot about myself and grown as a person during my time at university. It's been a transformative experience, and I'm grateful for the opportunities I've had.
I'm proud of you, sister. You've come a long way, and I know you'll continue to achieve great things. You've made our family proud.
Thanks, Alex. Your support means a lot to me. I'm grateful to have you as my big brother.
Always here for you, little sister. Welcome back home, and let's make the most out of this break together.
Agreed. It's good to be back. Let's make some memorable moments this summer.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it. Now, let's go raid the fridge and catch up on all the stories you have to tell.
Sounds like a plan. I've got plenty of stories to share. Oh, and I brought back some souvenirs for everyone from my university town. Can't wait to show you all.
Souvenirs? That's awesome. I'm curious to see what you've got. I'm sure Mom and Dad will be thrilled too. It's the little things that make us feel connected, even when we're apart.
Definitely. It's the memories and the little mementos that help us cherish our experiences. I'm glad I could bring a piece of my university life back home with me. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for watching.